this is Christina WALLIS and welcome to my flower making channel. Today we're going to be covering a stem of a daffodil, although you could cover any other stem using this technique. Okay, let's get started. I have undergone a little bit of a personal evolution in as far as stem covering goes since the last time I've published a stem covering video on this channel, which was a rose stem. I'm going to link it up below. And so I think it's time that I have updated you on my new ways. So the main difference is that I have now decided to keep my clay quite a bit drier than I used to, and I practically do not use water for covering my stems. I just make sure that my clay is quite fresh so it doesn't get horrible and crinkly by the end of the stem. So again, as with many things in cold porcelain, is finding that balance. And so with quite a fresh though not sticky clay, I rotate my flower with my right hand. I'm right-handed, and adjust it with my left hand, although I kind of switch hands here. Try out both no matter how handed you are and see what works best for you. Another important thing here is to cover your wire with glue, not too much glue, but so that the entire wire is covered. Okay, and at the end just seal your wire like so. Seal it at the end, because when you start bending your wire, if you don't seal it, the air would get through the bottom and just make life harder for you. And here, as soon as I've covered the wire, I'm covering it with Nivea cream to avoid over drying, and this Nivea cream would help me to straighten it up nicely and remove all the bumps on the way. So it looks easy. If you haven't been covering stems for a while, then cut yourself some slack. It's going to may take you a little while to get used to the process, so allow time for that. And yes, I still get lucky covers and less lucky covers, and presumably many of you will as well, so don't get discouraged. And here you go. And when it's semi-dried, I'm going to give it another smooth, and when it's fully dry, I'm just going to bend it, and you should be good to go, really. I hope you enjoyed this video.